Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about IOTeX price prediction and IOTeX news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for IOTeX in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, IOTeX has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, IOTeX has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the IOTeX blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of IOTeX are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about IOTeX. The decentralized machine economy-focused platform's head of business development, Larry Pang, said IOTeX has committed to matching donations with 1 million IOTX tokens. On-chain and IOTeX will ensure that 100% of the IOTX token donations are used only for humanitarian needs, Pang said. The donations will help people impacted by the war in Ukraine with food, shelter, and other humanitarian aid. The funds are not for war or other conflict-related efforts. The IOTeX Foundation will match all donations up to 1 million IOTX. Anyone who donates more than 500 IOTX will receive a commemorative piece, not war NFT. Cryptocurrency is once again proof that it is an asset that can empower people from all corners of the world. A recent CNBC report reveals that as Russia's war on Ukraine rages for over 14 days, more than 102,000 digital asset donations totaling over $54.7 million have been made. On-chain is a charity project created by blockchain activists. Their goal is to break the chain of war which the Russian Federation started against Ukraine. Its team has emphasized Ps who want to generate more yield with their LP tokens, and investors who wish to earn trading fees and potential benefits from governance. Cutting-edge AM, because of their state-of-the-art automatic market maker, AM, underlying protocol, MIMO offers breakneck transaction speeds and low-cost transaction fees. MIMO users pay less than a penny per transaction, and Lee explained that transactions are confirmed in under 5 seconds. MIMO's vision has always been to empower next-gen DeFi products using IOTex's lightning-fast speed, low gas fees, and cross-chain capabilities. MIMO is, by far, the most extensive liquidity provider, $40 million total value lock VL on IOTeX, and serves as a decentralized exchange for powering IOTeX DeFi ecosystems. The beauty of a decentralized governance is the token right of all MIMO token holders to decide how the incentives distribute across liquidity pools, he added, said Larry Pang, IOTex's chief business development officer. Mercenary mining and selling pressure current DEX models face the issues of short-term mining that harm the longevity of DeFi ecosystems. The old farmers frequently make deposits into liquidity pools, only to pull early blockchain companies valued above $5 billion. Fireblocks, an Israeli company that provides infrastructure for blockchain platforms, raised $550 million earlier in the year, placing its valuation at $8 billion. Starkwares has not indicated which VCs will participate in the fundraising round, but there are reports of competition among potential investors. According to news sources, Starkware is currently screening potential investors. The source also noted that the development was a major one for the blockchain company that has only 70 employees. It's surreal. It just looks like another Israeli high-tech office here, but we're seen in the crypto world as the guys who are bringing about a huge change. There are constantly rumors that this person or such and such a fund wants to invest. The company doesn't need the money, so it has rejected many offers, but if a really attractive deal comes along, it could well be progressing. The insider added, it's hard to think back to early November, just before the $2 billion valuation and Starnet coming to mainnet. Then, interest from investors and devs rocketed. So valuation, that would have been hard to believe a few months ago might now be realistic. StarkX leverages ZK Starks, which stands for Zero Knowledge, Scalable, Transparent Argument of Knowledge to help Ethereum achieve above 100,000 transitions per second and reduce transaction costs. The geopolitical and trade tensions should be monitored, as they can unnerve institutional and retail investors and lead to huge price changes due to reduced risk appetite. Related, Bitcoin dips 12% as Russian ruble hits all-time low against United States dollars on Ukraine military operation. Meanwhile, a recent report from hedge fund Pantera Capital shows that Bitcoin is currently relatively inexpensive, noting that several factors may affect the next rally. According to Pantera, warning signs from the debt markets and negative real rates could provide Bitcoin with the rocket fuel it needs to resume its bullish uptrend. What else was known about this cryptocurrency? Despite the downturn that the cryptocurrency market has witnessed in recent weeks and months, there's no reason to be less bullish on crypto, according to IOTeX co-founder and CEO Dr. Roland Kai. Bitcoin, well, according to tradition, at the end of the video, are modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX, or whether IOTEX will survive in the next few years are unknown. IOTEX is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term IOTEX price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. IOTEX price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of IOTEX will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the IOTEX rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the IOTEX rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. IOTEX average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. IOTEX price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. IOTEX could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. IOTEX price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, IOTEX, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be 47 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the IOTEX maximum price could be up to 52 cents in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. IOTX, price prediction 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for IOTX will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 may end with an average rate of 66 cents and a minimum rate of 64 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 78 cents.